In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your backups in Siteground site tools. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or someone who's just starting out, backups are essential. They ensure that all your hard work is protected against accidental changes or disruptions, making the ability to manage them easily a crucial skill. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Siteground's website. Open your browser and go to Web Hosting Perfected Siteground. This is your destination for handling all your website management tasks. Once the page loads, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. It's important you enter your details correctly to access your account with ease. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you should go ahead and click on My Siteground account. This is where you manage all aspects of your account, including your websites, billing, and of course backups. It's your control center. After accessing your account, click on Websites. This section provides an overview of all the websites you're managing through Siteground. Look through your list of sites and select the one for which you'd like to manage backups. Now click on Site Tools. This is where you have access to everything you need to make updates to your website and its settings. Once you're in Site Tools, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Security. This is essential as backups naturally fall under security measures to protect your content. Once you've navigated into the security section, you'll find an option called Backups. Click on that. This brings you to the heart of managing your website backups. This area shows all the current backups available and allows you to create new ones. For creating a fresh backup, a wise action especially before making major changes to your site, click on Create. This triggers the backup creation process. When you initiate this process, it's good practice to give your backup a descriptive name. This is invaluable when you're trying to identify which backup to restore from later on. After naming it, confirm the creation. It will take a few moments depending on the size of your site, but Siteground handles this efficiently, and there you go. Now you've successfully learned how to manage your backups in Siteground site tools. Remember that regular backups are your safety net, helping you avoid any loss of data and easily recover your site if any issues arise. Thanks for watching and happy backing up.